Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study the probability. In this probability, today we are going to study some examples. Example 1. The two-digit number formed using digits 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 without repetition. Now in this sample space, the elements are written like that. The elements digits are not repeat, means 2 2 3 3 4 4 in this way. So firstly write down the sample space 2 3 2 4 2 6 2 7 2 4 2 3 2 2 3 2 4 2 6 2 7, then 3 2 3 4 3 6 3 7 3 2 3 4 3 6 3 7, then 4 2 4 3 4 6 4 7 4 2 4 3 4 6 4 7 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 7 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 7, then 7 2 7 3 7 4 7 6 7 2 7 3 7 4 7 6. In this way we write down the sample space, and these are the elements of the sample space. Now count the elements. The number of elements are in a sample space is 20. Then write down n of s equal to 20, means the elements in a sample space S is 20. Now in practice set 5.2, the same questions are given. Write down the sample space and write down the number of elements in a sample. The questions are like that. One coin toss. Write down the sample space and write down the number of elements in sample space. Sometime another question like that. One die and one coin is simultaneously tossed. Then write down the sample space and number of elements in the sample space. Now see the next point. Events means Ghatna. In this event there are some conditions are given. The outcome satisfying a particular condition are called favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. In this event some conditions are given, and from this condition we write down the event on which is depends on the sample space. See the example. Two-digit numbers are formed using the digit 0 1 2 3 4 5 without repetition of the digit. Now in this example digits are given, 6 digits are given. Then write down firstly the sample space. See the sample space 1 0 1 2 1 3 1 4 and 1 5. 1 0 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5. Then 2 0 2 1 2 3 2 4, 2 0 2 1 2 3 2 4, and lastly 2 5. Then 3 0 3 1 3 2 3 4 and 3 5, 3 0 3 1 3 2 3 4 3 5. Then 4 0 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5, 4 0 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5, and lastly 5 0 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4, 5 0 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4. Now these are the elements of the sample space. Yes, the number of sample space, number of elements in a sample space is 25. Then write down the event A. Condition for event A is the number formed is even number. Now in this elements, the even number is collected. So even number is 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, then 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. In this way, the number formed is even number. The event A, in this event A, condition is that even number. So the number of element in event A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The number of element in event A is 13. Then see the second condition for the event B. B event, the number formed is divisible by 3. Now in this sample space, these elements are divisible by 3. See, the 12 is divisible by 3, 12, 15, 21, 24, then 30, 42, 42, then 45, then 51, and lastly 54. Now in event B, the number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of B is 9. Then see the third event, condition for event C, the number formed is greater than 50. In this C event, the number is greater than 50. See, in this sample space, the elements are which is greater than 50, not 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. These numbers are greater than 50. So write down in C event 51, 52, 53, 54. There are the 4 elements. Number of C equal to 4. In event C, the number of elements is 4. In this way, we write down the event from this sample space. Now in practice set 5.3, the same questions are given. Firstly, write down the sample space, then number of sample space element, then write down the event A, B, C, maybe A or maybe B. The events are given in question. According to the given condition, write down the event and number of elements in the event. In this way, we can solve the practice set 5.3 also. Good day, goodbye, okay.